favorite years of Impalas here at Unique, especially in classics. Take a look at this 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS to boot, 409 car, two-door hardtop or sport coupe, you'll hear them called. Yes, true SS. And the best part about this one, numbers matching. 409, 340 horse engine, via QC suffix code. I'll tell you where you can check out the stamping of the engine number here in just a bit. And then also a numbers matching 4-speed car. And why not have it black on black? Absolutely beautiful. Has had a repaint to black, so it is now black on black. The black vinyl bucket seat interior. Let's go ahead and check out this grille. Bumpers, bumper guard. Wow. Nice looking car. Of course, with black paint, can you maybe find a small imperfection here and there? Yes, but overall, this car does look as good in person as it's going to in the pictures and the videos. Speaking of pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the suffix code that is stamped in the block, the VIN derivative stamped in the block. Also have it from the transmission. That can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Do not expect this vehicle to stick around here very long. As nice as it is, and with the 409 and numbers matching, should be a rather quick mover. Of course, the SS wheel covers going on down the side of this, the 409 emblem designating the engine in this SS. But look at that. Look up and down the length of that car, those long, straight, flat panels. Look at the reflection. Look at how straight that is. You do not see poor body work. It'll stand out like a sore thumb on black and nice glossy paint like that. Wow. Interior, again, black vinyl. Of course, you have the bucket seats. One way to tell it's a true SS. 4-speed center console. You can see there is a little aftermarket gauge cluster down below the dash, and we'll check that out when we start it up. Let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a look at the rear of this car. Chrome taillight surrounds, kind of in that machined metal look. Wow. Once again, still pictures. You want to check out the underside of this car, interior, take a look at the trunk. It's all finished off as nice as the exterior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, the Impala was the top-of-line Chevrolet. Back in '63, was completely redesigned inside and out. And they just did a beautiful job on them. Became a very popular year in the classic car world. And then throw the 409 underneath the hood, the original one, the 4-speed. It becomes a quite desirable car. And then take a look at just how it looks. Once again, the black paint on the driver's side. Of course, we have an open door policy to third-party inspectors. You can't make it to take a look at this car yourself, feel free to have an inspector come take a peek at it for you. Have them give you their 2 cents on how the car is compared to the video and the pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Seatbelt's intact up front. And as you can see, the vinyl's not ripped, torn, really full of much of any wear at all. Be a great car to take to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. This one will definitely turn some heads. Played around with some of the accessories. Wipers do work. Blower fan works for the heat and defrost. As you can see, the headliner's intact. A few wrinkles just up in that sail panel in the back with the headliner, but that's about it. It did not have the radio power up, but wipers, blower fan, that was all fine. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And we'll check out the engine bay. See how easily it starts? One thing I did notice, back was not working. Fuel gauge is. Voltmeter, oil pressure, and temp gauge. Take a look at the rest of this dash. There'll also be a picture of the cowl tag if you'd like to decipher any information off of there. In with the still pictures, as well as the VIN, which is down here. There will be a picture of that close up. You want to look at any of that, feel free to. Nice that that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust, no crazy cam. Just the way you would expect this to sound rolling off the Chevrolet dealer's showroom floor back in '63. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front of this. I want to pause this a second, get this hood popped, and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is, the original engine that would have came with this car. Of course, the 409 SS cars would be chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner cover, oil fill cap. That's correct. Power brakes, power steering. Look how smooth that runs. Nice sounding engine, good stock looking engine bay. What a cool classic. 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS 409. Two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. All underneath.